Tennessee, QSL.
Yes, you tell team, you're 5758, 5 by 18, in the West Coast, and near to the California border, then the Mexican border, about 65 miles out, okay? The operator name is Hector. I go by Hector, Hotel Echo, Charlie Tango Oscar Radio, Hector, QSL.
Hey, QSL, very good, Hector, very good, 100%, 5x7, 5x9, no problem whatsoever. Operator name is Ken, Kilo Echo November. We're about 20 miles north of the Music City, Nashville, Tennessee. Back to you.
Hey, thank you, Kim. Nice to meet you on the bank, Mr. Kim. Doing very well, no doubt. Doing transmission on, I don't know what kind of radio you're running. Big power, but you're 5x9, up and down, but you are 5x9, QSL.
Hey, QSL, very good, very good. Working off a President Jackson export radio with an Antron 99, about 25 feet in the air. Running about 500 whiskeys at the moment at you there, QSL.
Okay, 500 as well. Too much power, high, but it's enough. Okay, good signal into West Coast. This is running 100 watts, Kim, 100 watts. The ICOM 706 is a mobile radio, but I am on TDA. My antenna 10 meters, so 30 feet from the ground. 10 meters, so 30 feet from the ground. My antenna, let me check it in. DVD to US in this moment, Central East Coast US, my antenna, QSL.
Hey, QSL, very good, very good. I talked to one station, the 10 division, that's a QSL manager. I think me and you've talked before. Are you the QSL manager, or it might have been the other radio station out of the 10 division? Once I talked to him, I looked him up on the internet, and I know we've made contact before there, QSL. I talked to another station. It must have been another station I talked to in the 10 division, who's a QSL manager down in that area. Must be another station. I've talked to two stations. I've talked to you before, I believe, and I've talked to another station from the 10 division several weeks ago there, QSL.
Okay, QSL, I understand now. But no negative, this is our first contact. I don't have any QSL manager. I have my own QSL card from QTS. Okay, no problem, Mr. Kim. Getting good, fantastic signal, okay? Hey, Kim, 73, how to work again? Information on the frequency at 27 680 on 27 and 680. There is an expedition. You can find a 337 Alpha Tango flash 0, 337 Alpha Tango stroke 0 on activation at this moment on 27 680 for your information, okay? Thank you, 73 Kim, hasta la vista.
Okay, Hector, very good, 100%, no problem whatsoever. Radio sounding real good. That ICOM's doing you an excellent job here in the state of Tennessee this evening. All the good numbers to you from my country to yours. Been a pleasure making contact with you, Hector. We hope to do it again in the near future. Been a pleasure all on this end. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA, state of Tennessee. We thank you, Hector.
Thank you, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014.